What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got my review of Terre D'Hermes by Hermes. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Damon J, salute. Now, Terre D'Hermes by Hermes is absolutely one of my favorite colognes and one I suggest to a lot of guys when they're asking for cologne recommendations. And there's a few reasons why. It's very unique, complex, but yet versatile. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you my complete review of Terre D'Hermes and tell you why it's one of my most highly recommended colognes and one I wear an awful lot. So without any further ado, let's hop right into the review. And of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description if you wanna pick up a bottle of Terre D'Hermes for yourself. Now, Terre D'Hermes is a citrus, woody, earthy type scent, and it's made up of a few notes. Now, the difficulty you'll find with Terre D'Hermes, you won't find a breakdown anywhere of the top notes, the base notes, or the mids, but I can give you an overall collection of the notes. You got some grapefruit, you got some orange, you got some cedar, you have some vetiver, and you also have some flint and some black pepper all in that mix. And like I said, it all combines to give you this kind of citrusy, yet earthy and warm scent. Along with the earthy and citrus type scent you get in there, and it also has a little bit of spiciness from the black pepper. Now, when you first spray it on, the thing you're gonna get immediately is the citrusy scent. I'm gonna say a lot of the orange is gonna come out in the beginning. Orange is the dominating scent when you first spray it on. But as it dries down over the first, I'd say 2 or 3 hours, the orange kind of fades to the background and I start to get a little grapefruit, but more of that cedar starts to come in, a little of that vetiver, more of the earthiness comes in as it settles down. And that's when it becomes less citrusy and more warm and earthy to me. However, the citrusy orange grapefruit is still there. So it's still a nice mix of your citrus and your warm throughout the rest of the day. And because of this nice complex mix of citrus yet warm, I find it to be extremely versatile. Always find me recommending it on different cologne lists. A lot of times I recommend it as a great winter or fall cologne, but I also can see people wearing it in the spring and summer. It's that versatile. And what I like about it, even though it's a mass-produced cologne, I find the scent to be quite unique. I think it does a great job of being light yet warm, earthy yet citrusy. Does that very well, that nice mix. Now, when it comes to how many sprays I suggest, I wouldn't go over 2 to 3 sprays. This is a cologne that's easy to overspray and make it too loud. Ease up on it, just a dab will do you. Now let's get a little bit into the performance. Now I found for me, I easily can get 7, maybe 8 hours of wear out of Terre D'Hermes. So for the eau de toilette, I find the longevity to be above average. Now as far as projection, I think that people will be able to smell this one about 2 to 3 feet away from your body. So pretty good projection as well. As far as your sillage, I think this leaves a nice scent cloud around you. Not too overwhelming, but that scent cloud will be noticeable. So I give it above average sillage. Now let's talk about who I think this cologne is for and when you should wear it. I find this cologne to be very mature, very sophisticated, but I still think it's versatile. I probably go ages maybe 24 and up, or if a younger guy is mature, smooth, sophisticated guy, you can give this one a shot as well. Now, what times of the year would I wear this one? To me, I can wear this year round, but I also can see where people can say it's a springtime one, it's a fall, it's a cold weather one. It's that versatile. It's hard to pin down what season. I find myself wearing it year round. So it should be obvious by now that I'm super high on Terre D'Hermes because of the versatility, because of its complexity, and because how unique I think this scent is. This is an excellent cologne. I even would go so far to call this one a modern masterpiece. So if you're looking for a complex, versatile, mature, smooth smelling cologne that you can easily wear year round, I don't hesitate in recommending Terre D'Hermes. It's warm, it's earthy, it's spicy, it's light, and citrusy. Very good projection, lasts quite a while for an eau de toilette. On a scale of 1 to 10 salutes, I'm gonna give Terre D'Hermes 9.85 salutes. Okay, so there you have it, my review of Terre D'Hermes by Hermes eau de toilette. Let me know in the comment section if you're familiar with this cologne and what you think about it. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos I release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, and I'll check you out tomorrow.